Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're on the second of two videos covering Plaquemines Parish Highway 15, an old alignment of Louisiana Highway 39. We're driving north along the east bank of the Mississippi River. We start as we enter the unincorporated community of Davant. Davant was inundated by floodwaters by Hurricane Katrina in 2005. Ahead is the host terminal at Davant, one of the largest bulk terminals on the U.S. Gulf Coast. This 1,200-acre terminal has extensive loading, discharging, and storage capabilities along 3.5 miles of riverfront. This site specializes in coal and petcoke with capacity for other bulk commodities. The storage yard on the right is serviced continuously by independent inbound and outbound conveyor systems, enabling simultaneous handling of cargo for both vessels and barges. We enter the unincorporated community of Phoenix, and on the right-hand side is an intriguing abandoned home that I couldn't find any information about. If you know anything about it, please leave a comment below. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video in the LA 39 series back at Louisiana Highway 39. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.